How to use live stickers in Facebook Messenger on iPhone. So if you want to use live stickers in your Facebook Messenger on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your photos, select an image. Once you've selected, now you need to just tap and hold on to that image in which you would like to create a sticker. After that, tap on add sticker. Once you tap on add sticker, now you need to select the sticker or just add it. And once you've added, now you can go with your WhatsApp or your Messenger, anything that you're comfortable with. For example, I'll go with WhatsApp, or I'll just simply go with Messenger because you want to use your stickers in your Facebook Messenger, right? So open up your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, you need to go with your emoji icon, which is on the bottom left. And from the emoji, now if you swipe left, you will have your stickers. So you can select the sticker that you've just added, which is this one. Just tap on it and the sticker will be sent. So in this way, you'll be able to use stickers in your Facebook Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.